There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2.
We gotta get out. Come on. We have this thing called a set tennis tabletop mini. That's how you do it, say it.
Yeah.
I need room to sit.
Well, I mean, we're going to sit on the other side. Like here.
Alright, that's true. Let me move this heater.
Okay, I guess that's okay. It's not gonna stick.
Is it supposed to work on anything?
I don't think it's supposed to work on any. Oh, it stayed there. Oh, we got it.
Oh my god, it's actually working. I would just press really hard for like 2 seconds.
Yeah.
Okay, it's gonna have to work.
That's not gonna work.
Wait. This is hard because I need oh.
I don't go like that.
Ah! I'm better at this. Darn.
But you just want to do it like in the room, like you have the other person has to hit it back. Oh, I meant like standing up and doing it.
Yeah, actually, that's a better idea.
It's more fun. Right in the trash.
Because it's a trashy game. Oh.
You can even hit it. It's on the ground. You can even hit it.
You didn't hit it, bro.
No, you didn't hit it.
No, I hit it. It just went
No,
back.
you didn't hit it.
You didn't hit it.
I'm gonna do it as hard as I can.
Maybe not doing it as hard as you can is working.
You ready for this trick shot? I'm gonna hit it up into the air. It was in the air for a little bit.
It was in the air for like half a second and now it's like somewhere.
Ow, my titty. Ow, my cheeky.
Oh, that almost went. Ew!
I'm not touching that. I'm done with this game.
I'm gonna hit it.
Wash it. Wash it. Please wash it off. Please wash it off. I'm not touching that now.
Alright, well,
No, just worry about the shit.
we're trying to fly the drone and test our abilities with it because we're gonna be flying it over Wildwood.
Where's your phone?
It's in my pocket. Okay. Oh man. We're trying to do this and I fell a raindrop.
Oh no.
What? What?
Okay, I thought it was on for a second.
Are you sure we should do this in a thunderstorm? This isn't.
Briefing? What the fuck?
Alright, this isn't a good idea.
Well, the hell, you got 50,000 apps open.
I don't.
Yes, you do. Every time I touch it. Wait.
No, this isn't a good idea. Even if we get it up now, it's not a good idea.
Oh, it's coming close.
It's not worth it.
Just tell me where the Wi-Fi is. I just want to make sure.
Right.
There it is. All right.
I'll do
But Google Play, everything is fucking Google. You have like 30,000 apps open.
That's not open. They're not open.
If they're popping up, they're open.
But things won't pop. Oh my god. See, up here. No, wind. That's wind. This drone will be broken.
Yeah, it doesn't use a password now.
It's 1, 2, 3. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. But don't fly it. There's wind. Okay, there's wind.
No, we're going to take it up and down. Up and then right back down.
I don't think it's a good idea. I really don't.
It's not working. It was 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2.
We gotta get out. Come on. I don't feel like being struck by lightning today.
Never been struck by lightning.
Okay. It's flying. Cool. It's flying.
What the hell?
What?
I tried to land it. Oh! I gotta pick it up. It's not turning off. Hold it.
Okay.
It flies.
Okay, it flies. I feel wind. There's a loud thunder.
Flash the thunder stop. You wanna fly again?
No.
Alright, we know it's set.
Not when there's like dark clouds forming around it. Whoa! I just saw a lightning bolt on the corner of my eye.
Why is it vibrating?
Probably.
Here, hold this.
Is it off?
Let's see. To make sure. Hey, we got a new phobia to make sure we connected it before we hit the beach.
Oh, wow.
Flying out of the ocean tomorrow, so.
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
Hey, did you hear that 14-year-old kid from Pottstown caught a 7-foot sand shark in Ocean County?
Yeah.
And she signed it, they got it notarized.
That's going.
You better hurry up.
That's scary.
Yeah. See you later.
Okay, you guys have a great.
Yeah, I told him I saw a lightning bolt. So we're almost all packed up for vacation.
Yeah.
Do you want me to hold the suitcase? Do you want me to hold the suitcase?
Yeah, it would be a good idea. I'll take this one then.
Could you carry 2 bags and a heavy suitcase and hold the camera at the same time?
Hold the camera.
No, my strap is on it. Where's the computer and monitor and keyboard gonna go?
Back seat. I don't want this in the back seat because people see 4K drone, they know it's a lot of money. They'll steal that in a heartbeat.
Yeah. I'm vlogging and holding 2 things at once. Already. But what's that bin for?
Emergency stuff, I don't know where to put it. Suitcase.
Ew. Yeah, I don't think that's gonna fit in there. It's not fitting. Throws the bucket.
Supposed to go sideways.
1 hour later. Two hours later. 3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
This is like Tetris.
Yeah, sort of. So now you got a fake computer, laptop, and everything else back here.
Oh God. What about this bucket over here? This is gonna be a tough road trip. We're gonna need the computer.
Come back there.
What about this stuff? I think we're gonna have to use a full seat to actually put stuff too. Remember, where are we gonna put the computer?
Right there.
Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this rather short vlog. When this vlog is posted, we're already back from Wildwood. So that's some cool. That's a weird thing to think about. I'm recording this now. However, when you guys are seeing this, I'm already back from Wildwood. So that's. Guys, it's been really stressful. I had to edit a 42-minute vlog today, get it exported, get it uploaded. I had to get all the other videos edited so that I have videos uploaded while I'm at Wildwood. I wouldn't usually do that, but I wanted to enjoy this vacation in Wildwood instead of worrying about getting the video edited the day of and then uploading it the day after, because that's what I was doing last year and it was really tough and I didn't like it, so I'm not doing it. I hope you guys enjoyed this short vlog of my dad trying to fly a drone in a thunderstorm. It didn't actually storm much. I did hear it thunder a little bit, but anyway, subscribe if you're brand new, and see you all in the next video, which is going to be me and my dad at Wildwood. Bye.